What began as a blind quest to collect the fragments of my shattered spirit has evolved into a full-time, free-spirited lifestyle. I finally decided to look myself in the mirror and take ownership of my life, evolving into a new me, whom was more wildly powerful than I could have ever imagined. From the desolate deserts to the raging rivers, birthed a new purpose for love, life, being. The journey continues, from healing generational trauma and decolonizing to creating art and capturing beautiful beings. I travel the world to learn, love, and share light. It's time to empower, embrace, and express all aspects of our innermost beings, to ignite that fire within and manifest your song in this realm, a song that is in true harmony with your soul. And that time is now.
And action! So recap, in Fork Stolkhom, I was quoted $4,000 to fix my bus for a thermostat replacement and a fan clutch replacement. Come to find out, replacing the thermostat is fairly simple. So I ended up staying, I drove overnight and made it to El Paso at about 6 a.m. I slept in a Walmart parking lot for an hour and a half. And then, anyways, I ended up staying in a motel later, got the replacement thermostat, installed that this morning, and now I am back on the road with Santo. He's outside on a post over there. But we are back on the road. We made it to New Mexico, but it is still so fucking hot, and my bus is having a hard time staying cool. So I pulled over to find a nice spot for us to hang out for a handful of hours and wait till the sun goes down to keep driving. And I don't know why I'm standing up. And we found this freaking archery shop. So I had dry shot, well, I hadn't dry shot my bow, but I was shooting arrows, and I noticed one of my arrows had a split in it. So that reminds me. Alright, so anyways, one of my arrows had a split in it, and I shot it anyways. And when I did that, I had my bow, or the string to shoot came off of the. I'm here at Rockin R Archery shop. I'm just so grateful that I happened to stumble upon this. I rolled up at about 2:30. And the hour said 2 to 6, and so I was like, fuck, are they closed? Because nobody was in there, sign said closed. And I parked over here in the corner of the parking lot, and just as I was about to get ready to leave, the guy rolls up, and I was like, hey, are you open? He was like, yeah, I'm open. So I asked him if Santo could come and hang with him. He said yes. And so Santo and I are gonna get my bow fixed. I also found a recurve in a dumpster, and so he's gonna help me out with that. And yeah, I'm super excited to learn and kill some time too with this fucking heat. I know Santo's probably very grateful as well. Yeah, anyways, here's to adventure. That's how I'd like to make my living.
Grab one that don't have it. And then I'm going to teach you how to check your arrow in case you shoot the dirt. Like that arrow will split.
Yeah.
Okay. This is what you do. Put it right next to your ear.
Oh, you don't charge any of the children that come?
Work on their boat, I don't charge them. And then we have some shooters out at the school, Red Mountain. They made the World Series slasher. One girl and a boy ended up in North Carolina or South Carolina at the World Finals.
Wow.
And she placed, I think it was 3,000 shooters, or no, 7,800 shooters, and she placed 79th.
Wow, that's incredible.
We did a fundraiser to help her get there and everything.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we did a big 3-spot tournament shoot, donated everything, and then at the end, we put a little pasty down there, and everybody shoot at it, and the winner, you know, everybody puts in money, and the winner splits the pot. Half goes to her, half goes to the winner. Well, a lot of people got close, and pretty soon she says, "Can I shoot it?" And we said, "Yeah." And then step up where you shoot from. We shoot from 20. She shoots from 15. She stepped up. First arrow, you get 2 arrows. She hit. She was a little bit high, like 4 inches. Second arrow, she's the only one that hit the pasty that day.
Wow.
And she got all the money.
That's incredible.
She got the donated part, plus she won the other half.
Oh, man.
It was awesome. It really is. Deming is. I was raised 100 miles from here, and I shopped a lot here at Deming, and then I shopped a lot in Douglas, Arizona. And Douglas wasn't the community like here. Here it can get tight. If somebody really has trouble, everybody helps. They really fall in.
Yeah.
And we raise money for our local cancer here.
Yeah, I saw your banner outside.
These people, they run the vans that take cancer patients to cruises in Albuquerque to their treatments and can't afford it. And it's all non-profit, and they don't get no state, no federal aid. Everything's on donations.
Wow.
So we raise money. We have a shoot every year and raise money for them. Rick's had this, I think, going on 14 years now.
14 years?
I think so.
And what was the reason out of everything you've told me you've done? You've been a cattleman, you've been a cowboy.
He was a traditional shooter, longbow.
Oh.
And he kind of started a little club. And one thing led to another, and then he finally decided to rent this place and start an archery shop.